So we are gathered together in your presence as witnesses to join Jerica and Christopher in matrimony. Marriage is an honorable estate. Therefore, it is not to be entered into lightly or unadvisedly, but discreetly, soberly, and with true love. Remember that love and loyalty are the foundation on which a happy home is built. If the solemn vows which you are about to accept are kept, and if you steadfastly endeavor to lead honorable and worthwhile lives, the home you establish will abide in peace, and the marriage will be lasting. A good marriage must be created. In the art of marriage, the little things are the big things. It's never being too old to hold hands. It's having a mutual sense of values and common objectives. Father, you have made the bond of marriage a holy mystery, a symbol of Christ's love for His church. With faith in you and in each other, they pledge their love and compassion today. Jerica and Christopher, you have stood today before family and friends and also before God. You've promised to love one another as husband and wife, but may you also continue to love each other as best friends. And now I formally pronounce you husband and wife before this gathering.